ride right now! My little brother is still trapped up there in the sky! Sophie! Help me! The ride completely stopped moving and I cannot get down from here! I need to reach that control panel and make them bring my brother down immediately. Sophie, stop right there. You must not cross that safety barrier into the restricted area.
Please lower that carriage right now. My 5-year-old son is sitting all alone up there. I cannot override this. The main emergency safety system has completely locked the entire ride.
Look up at the sky wheel, everyone! Why did the music and the wheel just stop? Sophie, look down there! The big red light on the machine is flashing really fast!
A critical safety sensor was just triggered on the track mechanism near the lower loading area.
Sophie! Ugh! The whole car just shook backward! I am slipping against the seat bar! It moved again! Please hold on with both hands, Leo! Do not let go of the bar! Sophie, I am so scared up here. Everything looks so tiny and far away from me. Look directly at my face, Leo. I am standing right here and I will not leave you. Wait a minute. Something happened right by the entrance before Leo stepped onto the loading platform. Look at all these amazing rides and game booths, Sophie. This carnival is so huge and bright.
The weather is perfect today, kids. Let us decide which attraction we want to try first together.
I want to get some delicious popcorn and try winning a prize at the ring toss. Look, Rex, we are going to explore every single giant ride in the entire amusement park.
Wow! Look at that gigantic spinning wheel touching the clouds! I really want to ride that one. That ride looks extremely high, Leo. Are you sure you are brave enough to go up there?
I am totally brave like a real dinosaur. You do not need to worry about me, Sophie.
Stay together in line, children. The attendant is about to open the gate for the next group.
Oops! Rex slipped out of my fingers. My dinosaur fell right through the gate fence.
Oh no! My favorite blue dinosaur is sitting right next to the big spinning metal track.
I can reach him easily. I just need to stretch my hand under this yellow rail.
Leo, stop! Never reach past the safety barrier into a restricted zone where machines are moving.
But Rex is my best friend. We cannot just leave him sitting on the ground alone.
I promise we will ask the ride workers to get your toy right after the ride finishes.
Welcome aboard, young adventurer. Please step inside carefully and sit back against the comfortable seat. Let us click this safety harness down securely. You are locked in safe and sound now, buddy.
Gate locked, latch confirmed secure. All clear for the main wheel rotation to begin now.
Here we go, up into the sky. Look how small the ticket booth looks already, Sophie.
This is so amazing! I can see the entire carnival and all the colorful roller coasters.
Speed is stable at 5 miles per hour. Motor temperature is normal. Cycle running smoothly. Warning. Proximity sensor circuit 4 has detected an unexpected foreign object along the lower track line.
Why is the wheel slowing down so fast? The full ride cycle is not even finished yet. The wheel stopped completely. Look Leo's car is stuck at the absolute highest point up there.
Calling maintenance dispatch. We have an automated system lockdown on the Skywheel attraction right now.
Wait. I remember Leo dropped his plastic dinosaur right before we walked through that entrance gate.
Look right under the safety gate edge. There is a small piece of blue plastic stuck there.
Look near the sensor box below the gate. I think my brother's toy is blocking the sensor.
Operator, my daughter noticed something drop near the track. Could a small object trigger this shutdown?
Yes. Sensor 4 is located precisely at that lower entrance position under the platform track guide.
Here comes the safety technical team. Everyone, please stay back and keep the emergency lane clear.
I am Ethan Cole from Carnival Safety Engineering. Operator, explain the current system status to me.
The automated emergency brake engaged when sensor 4 registered a foreign object during carriage indexing.
Sophie, Mommy, Daddy, the wind is blowing my hoodie and I want to come down now.
We are right here under you, Leo. Take slow, deep breaths and keep looking down at us. Leo, do you remember our favorite game? Let us count the bright carnival lights together right now.
Okay, Sophie. 1 red light, 2 yellow lights, 3 big blue lights on the booth.
That is wonderful, Leo. Keep going. 4 purple lights, 5 green lights. You are doing so great.
I am shining my light directly into the optical sensor housing under the lower guide rail. I see something foreign lodged between the protective sensor cover and the secondary tracking switch.
It looks like a small plastic dinosaur tail fragment pressed directly against the optical laser beam.
That blue piece belongs to Leo's toy. It fell off when he accidentally dropped it earlier.
Excellent observation, young lady. That crucial information tells us the machine itself is completely undamaged.
All staff, maintain crowd control around Skywheel perimeter, while Technician Cole resolves the sensor issue safely.
Good afternoon, Mr. and Mrs. Parker. Our priority is your son's safety, and the situation is under control.
Thank you, Mr. Hayes. We just want to ensure the ride lowers smoothly and safely for Leo.
I am establishing a full system bypass lock before touching anything inside the mechanical compartment.
Hydraulic pressure verified stable. Mechanical emergency calipers locked. Power isolated from main drive motors.
I will now carefully extract the foreign plastic piece without damaging the optical alignment mirrors. Gently gripping the plastic edge. Pulling slowly so no loose fragments remain inside the mechanism. Object successfully removed. The optical path between the emitter and the receiver is completely clear now.
Cleaning the lens surface now to ensure zero dust residue interferes with the laser beam connection.
28, 29, 30. Sophie, I counted 30 bright lights on the big tent.
You are the bravest boy in the whole world, Leo. Look, the technician just fixed the problem.
Initiating full sensor self-test sequence. Checking circuit continuity across all 12 sector safety sensors.
Sensor 1 clear, Sensor 2 clear, Sensor 3 clear. Sensor 4 optical signal is 100%.
The safety system performed exactly as designed. The track is safe, clear, and ready for controlled descent.
Attention guests, the Skywheel safety verification is complete. Commencing smooth, controlled, low-speed rotation now.
Drive motors engaged at 20% speed. Lowering carriage number 7 under manual precision control.
Look, Sophie, the big wheel is moving again. My carriage is starting to come down slowly. I can see Mommy and Daddy getting bigger and closer. The ride is bringing me home.
Oh, Daniel, look at him. He is descending so gently and safely toward the platform now.
Sophie, look! I can see your bright pink hairband from here. I am almost at the bottom.
I see you, Leo. Just a few more seconds and you will be right here on the ground.
Carriage 7 docked securely at Platform 1, applying parking brakes and disengaging main drive.
Locking latch released. Lifting the safety bar up gently now. You did fantastic, little man.
Mommy! Daddy! Sophie! I am finally back on the ground with my family!
Oh, my sweet boy. I am so proud of you. You were so brave and calm up there.
We are so happy you are safe, buddy. You handled that entire situation like a true champion.
I missed you so much, Leo. You did not panic at all, and you counted every single light. I thought I was gonna be stuck forever, Sophie, but your voice kept me totally safe.
You were never alone, little brother. We were standing right underneath you the entire time. Look at that wonderful family. Bravo to the brave little boy and the quick-thinking sister.
Excuse me, family. On behalf of the Carnival, I want to commend your daughter Sophie for her sharp eyes.
If you had not remembered the dropped toy, our diagnostics would have taken much longer to solve.
For your outstanding bravery and patience high in the air, Leo, I present you with this special honor.
Wear this Carnival Safety Hero badge proudly. You showed everyone how to stay calm during a stoppage.
Wow! Look at this awesome golden star badge, Sophie. I am an official Carnival Safety Hero.
Here is your adventurous dinosaur, Leo. We snapped his tail back on, good as new.
Rex, you are safe too. Thank you so much, Mr. Technician, for saving my best dinosaur friend.
Remember what happened today, Leo. If a toy falls into a restricted area, what should we do?
Never try to reach for it myself. I will always ask a grown-up worker to get it for me.
That is the most important lesson today. Safety rules exist to protect everyone from getting hurt.
When something unusual enters a mechanism, the ride shuts down instantly to protect all the riders.
What felt like a scary malfunction was actually the ride's smart safety system keeping my brother safe.
Let us go celebrate with giant strawberry ice creams and play some fun carnival games together now.
We had the biggest adventure ever today, Sophie, and we stayed safe because we stayed calm.
Always trust safety rules and stay calm when surprises happen, because keeping everyone safe is what truly matters.